Have you ever wondered about the creatures of the ocean? The deep sea hides a world of mysteries. Among the most fascinating creatures are jellyfish. Jellyfish are unlike any other marine life. They float gracefully through the water, ethereal. But there's much more to them than meets the eye. Jellyfish have been around for millions of years. In fact, they've existed longer than dinosaurs. These mesmerizing creatures can be found in oceans worldwide. Despite their beauty, jellyfish are known for their danger. With their long, flowing tentacles, they sting anyone who gets too close. But how dangerous are they really? Some jellyfish are harmless, while others can be deadly. The box jellyfish, for example, is highly toxic. But not all jellyfish are like this. Many of them are simply fascinating to watch. Jellyfish are part of a group called suonidarians. This group also includes corals and sea anemones. Unlike most creatures, jellyfish don't have a brain. Instead, they have a simple nerve net for movement. With their soft, gelatinous bodies, they don't need bones. This makes them agile and light in water. Jellyfish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny, while others are the size of a car. Their translucent bodies make them almost invisible underwater, but they still attract attention thanks to their glow. Many jellyfish have bioluminescence, allowing them to glow in the dark. This glow can be mesmerizing and beautiful to watch, but it's not just for show. Bioluminescence can help jellyfish ward off predators. It's a survival tactic developed over millions of years. Some species of jellyfish can even regenerate lost body parts. This ability to heal makes them resilient survivors. Jellyfish live in all kinds of environments. They can thrive in the open ocean or coastal waters. Some species even live in the deep, dark parts of the ocean, while others prefer warmer, shallow seas. Jellyfish are incredible travelers. They can drift across entire oceans using currents. Their movements are often controlled by the water itself. Some jellyfish are even capable of long migrations. These migrations are still a mystery to scientists. How do they know where to go? Jellyfish
It's one of the
have a
many
simple yet
questions that
effective
researchers
anatomy.
are still
Their
studying.
bodies are mostly made of water, about 95%. This gives them their jelly-like consistency. Their shape helps them float effortlessly through the water. Jellyfish are composed of four main parts: the bell, tentacles, mouth, and gonads. The bell is the umbrella-shaped part of the jellyfish. It contracts and expands to help propel the jellyfish forward. Beneath the bell, the tentacles dangle freely, ready to sting. These tentacles contain specialized cells called cnidocytes. Cnidocytes release toxins that paralyze or kill prey. The mouth is located at the center of the bell. It's where food enters the jellyfish's body. Interestingly, jellyfish also expel waste through their mouth. This makes their digestive system very basic. The gonads, responsible for reproduction, are located inside the bell. Jellyfish reproduce in fascinating ways. They begin their life cycle as tiny larvae, called planulae. The planulae eventually settle on the ocean floor. Here, they develop into polyps, tiny stationary forms. Polyps can survive for years, waiting for the right conditions. When triggered, polyps can bud off into a phyra. The ephyra is the juvenile stage of a jellyfish. These tiny creatures look like miniature jellyfish, but not fully formed. As the Ephyra matures, it grows into an adult medusa. The medusa is the stage most people recognize as a jellyfish. It is free-swimming and capable of stinging. This life cycle is called the alternation of generations. It allows jellyfish to adapt and thrive in different conditions. Most jellyfish live for just a few months, but some species can live for years, especially in their polyp stage. Surprisingly, some jellyfish don't even age in a typical way. The Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, is a prime example. This jellyfish can revert its cells back to an earlier stage. It effectively cheats death and can theoretically live forever. This incredible ability has captivated scientists worldwide. It challenges everything we thought we knew about aging. The immortal jellyfish's cells transform into polyps again. From there, they start the life cycle over indefinitely. This process is called transdifferentiation. While fascinating, the immortal jellyfish isn't invincible. It still faces threats like predators and environmental changes. But this ability to reverse aging makes it a true anomaly. Scientists are studying the immortal jellyfish to unlock the secrets of aging. Who knows? Their findings might one day impact human longevity. The jellyfish life cycle continues to intrigue and inspire researchers worldwide. Jellyfish play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. Despite their simplicity, they are key players in the food chain. Jellyfish are both predators and prey. They feed on plankton, small fish, and even other jellyfish. Their tentacles capture and immobilize prey with stinging cells. Jellyfish are opportunistic feeders, consuming whatever they encounter. This makes them effective at controlling plankton populations. In fact, jellyfish help maintain the balance of marine life. Some species of fish rely on jellyfish as a primary food source. The leatherback sea turtle is one of their biggest predators. These turtles can eat jellyfish without being stung. By consuming jellyfish, they help regulate their population. Jellyfish also provide food for seabirds, whales, and even sharks. They contribute to the nutrient cycling of oceans. Jellyfish decompose quickly, releasing nutrients back into the water. These nutrients fuel the growth of other marine life. But jellyfish aren't just an important food source. They also help create habitats for other organisms. Small fish, shrimp, and other critters seek shelter in jellyfish bodies. The jellyfish's bell offers protection from predators. This relationship creates a dynamic food web. However, jellyfish populations can sometimes explode. In certain areas, jellyfish blooms have increased dramatically. This can disrupt local ecosystems and even damage human activities. Jellyfish blooms can clog fishing nets, power plants, and harbors. These blooms are often caused by overfishing and environmental changes. Without predators, jellyfish populations can grow unchecked. Climate change has also contributed to more frequent blooms. Warmer waters and ocean acidification favor jellyfish over other species. This imbalance threatens marine biodiversity. Some jellyfish species, like the moon jellyfish, thrive in polluted waters. They can tolerate low oxygen levels and high levels of toxins. This resilience has made jellyfish a symbol of environmental change. They thrive in conditions where other marine life struggles. But jellyfish are not invulnerable to human impact. Coastal development, plastic pollution, and overfishing are serious threats. Plastic waste in the ocean can be deadly for jellyfish. Jellyfish mistake plastic bags for food, ingesting them. This can block their digestive systems, leading to death. Plastic pollution has also affected their migration patterns. As jellyfish travel across the ocean, they encounter more waste. Marine debris can disrupt their movements and feeding habits. Protecting jellyfish populations requires a healthy ocean. Reducing pollution, preserving habitats, and managing fishing are key. By safeguarding jellyfish, we're also preserving the balance of the ocean. As we look to the future, jellyfish will continue to intrigue us. Their resilience and adaptability make them remarkable survivors. Scientists are studying jellyfish to learn how they thrive. Their ability to regenerate and resist aging opens new possibilities. The immortal jellyfish, in particular, could hold the key to aging. Understanding its regenerative process may lead to breakthroughs in medicine. Beyond aging, jellyfish might also teach us about environmental resilience. They thrive in polluted waters, showing how life can adapt. This adaptability could help scientists develop solutions for climate change. Jellyfish may even become a model for sustainable marine life. Their ability to survive in changing conditions is a source of inspiration. The future of jellyfish also involves their interaction with humans. People often encounter jellyfish while swimming or diving. Their stings can be painful, but they're usually not deadly. However, in some regions, jellyfish stings can be more dangerous. Box jellyfish stings, for example, can cause heart failure and death. In these areas, beachgoers are educated on how to avoid jellyfish. Protective clothing and vinegar are often recommended for stings. Some places even have jellyfish nets to keep them away from beaches. But jellyfish stings aren't always a threat. They can also be fascinating. Many people enjoy watching jellyfish in aquariums and marine parks. Their graceful movements and glowing bodies captivate audiences. These peaceful creatures are often featured in documentaries and exhibitions. But jellyfish are also inspiring new technologies. Researchers are developing robotic jellyfish for ocean exploration. These bio-inspired robots could help study ocean ecosystems. Jellyfish-like robots could also assist in marine conservation efforts. They can navigate delicate ecosystems without disturbing the environment. This is just one example of how jellyfish influence technology. Their unique characteristics are inspiring engineers and biologists alike. Jellyfish might even become a food source in the future. In some cultures, jellyfish are already a delicacy. Their texture is prized in certain Asian cuisines. Jellyfish are high in protein and low in calories. They could potentially provide an alternative food source. As the global population grows, alternative proteins will be crucial. Jellyfish farming could help meet the demand for sustainable food. But we must approach this carefully, ensuring ecosystems remain balanced. Preserving the ocean's health is key to jellyfish survival. As we protect jellyfish, we also protect marine biodiversity. The future of jellyfish lies in our hands. By reducing pollution and managing ocean resources, we ensure their survival. We must learn to coexist with these fascinating creatures. Jellyfish offer us a glimpse into the future of marine life. They remind us that even the most mysterious creatures are essential to our world.